So if you install the desktop version of ILovePDF, this is what you see right here. So you can go ahead and make ILovePDF the default desktop application for PDF as well by clicking on this. But let me just go ahead and then discard that. And over here, what you can also do is log in to your account. So let's just go ahead and click on login, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and enter out your credential or sign in with Google account as well. So let's just go ahead and then do that. And then I'm going to go around over here and the browser opens up. And here what you can do is you can go ahead and then sign in with your Google account right here. So let's just go around over here, as you can see. And as you do that, what happens is that it says login successful. And now your account is logged in right here. So now this is the desktop app, and then it is quite similar to the web app itself, but here you can see that you have an option to open out file right here, just like this, that you can load up. So if I were to go around, you can go ahead and load up your files around over here. On the right hand side now, you can see the different tools, and over here on the left hand side, you can see different tools as well right here, just like this. And they all open up in tabs. So you can click on the plus button and then go ahead and open out another file right here, just like this as well as necessary. And you can go ahead and then click and drag this out as well. So this is what you have. And then over here on the left hand side, if you were to go to tools, then you have access to different tools right here. So you can go ahead and choose, let's say for example, merge PDF, and then you can go ahead and open up the file right here. Click on the plus button right here, just like this, and then merge out the PDF right here, just like this. So you can go around over here just like this, as you can see, and then this is what you have. So you got the merged PDF file right here. So apart from that, if you were to see the task history, then whatever you have done, for example, I recently merged out PDF, so you can see that merged PDF showed up right here. You can go around over here and then open up file. Let's say for example, select out. And then over here on the right hand side, you can go ahead and compress out PDF. Let's say for example, go for low compression, compressed PDF, and then this is what you have. So around over here, you can actually see like whatever task I have done, it'll show up right here. And then you can go ahead and access out your preferences from here and change out the preferences as you want right here, just like this. And apart from that, over here on the top, you see the file menu with different options right here. The edit option, account option, and help option right here. And that is basically the desktop app version of the ILovePDF. And you can utilize this app to go ahead and then edit out your PDF offline without having an internet connection as well. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.